Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the band and placing the watch on a soft, stable pad so nothing shifts. Once done, clean the case and crystal with a microfiber and mild soap to see the real damage. You must decide whether scratches are on the crystal or metal case. Small surface marks you can address at home, while deep gouges or cracks in the crystal often require a replacement. Make sure to remove dust and oils before any abrasive work, so you don't cause new scratches. You begin wet sanding only if the finish is metal and the scratches are visible but shallow. Use 800 up to 2000 grit and always sand with the grain for brushed cases. Once even, switch to a metal polish and a soft cloth or low-speed felt wheel. Work in small circles and check frequently to avoid over-polishing. You'll remove the finer marks and restore luster by alternating polish and wiping. Make sure to protect adjacent seals and open gaps with painter's tape to prevent compound ingress. You handle crystals differently. For acrylic, use a polish like Poly Watch, apply a pea-size amount, and rub firmly for 30 to 60 seconds until the haze clears. Once done, clean and inspect under light. Mineral or sapphire often resist home repair, so avoid aggressive sanding. Reassemble the strap, and if your watch is water-resistant, perform or have a pressure test to confirm seals. If you see clouding or persistent gouges, stop and consult a professional. Trying harder at home can worsen the damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.